Hi everyone, Balaji here. So today I'm going to explain about how to create the Helix solution in Visual Studio within 10 minutes. So I'll quickly show what other things can be done. Okay. Here, I'm using Visual Studio 2017. So file, new project. Here I'm going to select the other project type, Visual Studio Solution, and I'll be using the folder called this folder, Sitecore Training Helix, and my solution name is called Helix Solution, and click on OK. It will create a new solution. Then what you need to do is add the solution folders called feature, and then right click, add foundation, and then project. Inside the feature we need a folder called I'm going to add a new feature called navigation. So inside the navigation, right click on add, and then new project. So here we need to select the ASP.NET web application, and I selected .NET Framework 4.6 because I am using Sitecore 8.2 version. As per 8.2, I can use a .NET Framework 4.6.1 or 4.6, but I'm going with the 4.6. I'll share this link via description below, this Sitecore compatibility table link. Otherwise you can Google with Sitecore compatibility table, you will get this KB link. And I need to click on browse here. So I create so here what I need to do is create a folder called SRC. So inside SRC only your feature foundation project folders it is going to be there. And inside feature I'll be having a feature solution called navigation, and create the folder for navigation. Select the folder, and here just give the name as code. Okay, just click on OK. Here select empty and select MVC, click OK. Okay, now the solution is created. First step is delete unnecessary folders, update apps, start, control list, models, and global.acx. Right click, delete it. And the next step is renaming the solution. So it's going to be Helix Solution feature navigation. Okay, copy this name. I click properties, change it in the assembly name and default namespace. And then what we need to do is go to the web.config inside the views folder, remove the code, and then come back to this assembly properties. Here just here also just replace it with your thing. And next step what we need to do is we need to make it as a build action, and for this two web.config files I selected this thing, so that this web.config file it won't be copied to the Sitecore deploy location. Then next step what I need to do is I need to configure the configure the Nuget package for this. So for 8.2 it is using 5.2.3. so ASP.NET Microsoft.AspNet.Mvc, just select 5.2.3 and click on update. And same thing for this thing. So here it is going to be 3.2.3. So basically the same assembly it is for all the 8 version, 8.1 or 8.2, whatever, all the versions. You have to go with 5.2.3 for ASP.NET MVC, and ASP.NET.Razor you need to go with 3.2.3. And the next step is we need to install the Sitecore solution. Switch back the package source to Sitecore Nuget, Sitecore.kernel.mo reference. Here you need to select the respective Sitecore version. So this I'll tell you how to identify the version number for your project, the latest stage. Click on install. Here I am using Sitecore 8.2 version update 7, I guess. Here. And even for MVC, just click on install. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to build the solution and then see whether it is working fine or not. I click build the solution. So there is no error. And right click on the solution, open in File Explorer. Inside the bin folder you can see the DLL files. If you want, hopefully DLLs, whatever it is coming, it should be matching with the Sitecore DLLs. So even with the system.web.mvc, system.web.razor. So whatever the Nuget package manage assembly change we have did it, so it will automatically take care. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, and as you can see, like it follows a folder structure feature. Inside the navigation, it's a folder called code. Inside the code, I am having the code files. Additionally, you can have a separate serialization folder to save the serialized item, and you can even have the unit testing project inside. You can create the unit testing project here, and then you can proceed accordingly. Okay, let's see how to identify the Sitecore versions. So here you can see like 8.2 180406. So you can go back to your Sitecore solution and open the desktop view and click on this ribbon and click on licenses. So not licenses, license details. So it will show the respective Sitecore version number 180406. So basically, like you have to pick the same number from the assembly. Yep, and this is a Sitecore assembly, like what we need to use it for 8.x version and what we need to use it for 9.x version. So Microsoft.AspNet.Mvc we need to use 5.2.3 and 3.2.3, and here it is going to be like 5.2.4 and 3.2.4. Okay, yeah, thanks everyone, and if you have any clarification, do reach out to me via Twitter or Slack. Yeah, I'll share all the details via description below. Thanks everyone.